Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Cecilia Rangasa Manulat. I'm 45 years old. I'm married. I have a daughter, 19 years old. I have working experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 3 months. I serve 7 members of the family. One couple, 3 children and newborn twin babies, ages 7, 6, 5, and 8 months old twin babies. My main duties are cooking, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, washing the dishes, and the most important tasks are taking care of the children. I also have experience here in the Philippines. Year 2020 up to present, the daughter of co-workers of my husband, that I will bring his daughter in the school. After her class, I will pick up his daughter from the school, and I will bring her their house, and she is 9 years old this year. If you choose me, Ma'am and Sir, I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities in all tasks given to me. I'm hardworking, honest, trustworthy, loyal, and I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to have a better future for my family. I hope to see you soon. Thank you and God bless.